Hi and welcome back to Hard Reset Rankings. Today we're talking about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. And while it's not a groundbreaking change, it does bring some solid upgrades, especially when it comes to the cover screen. This time, the cover display is much bigger, takes up more space on the front, and I really like that. They've kind of followed Motorola's lead here, similar to the Razr, where the cover screen is almost full screen, with a small punch hole for the camera and the flash. On the Z Flip 7, that outer display is now 4.1 inches, which feels like a big leap forward from previous generations. The inner display also got a little upgrade. Now, with an 88.7% screen-to-body ratio, it's actually noticeable when you're looking at the phone, and it just looks better. It feels more modern with slimmer bezels and an overall cleaner look. Now onto the camera setup. This still isn't a photography phone, and honestly I wouldn't expect it to be. But what surprised me was the selfie camera. It's actually quite decent. It's 10 megapixels and I didn't expect much, but it ended up being better than I thought, so that was a nice surprise. The rear cameras, though, nothing impressive, just your typical lower-end sensors. They get the job done, but that's about it. Under the hood, it's powered by the Exynos 2500 with 12 GB of RAM and either 256 or 512 GB of storage. That's a great range of options, and it's perfect for like casual people. It doesn't give you lots of options to store your photos, but you don't take photos on this phone anyway. There are also a few fun modes and features built into the phone. One of them is the touchpad mode, where the bottom half of the folded screen turns into a touchpad and the top acts as the display. I think they were trying to go for a sort of mini laptop feel here. It's not really useful. I mean, you're still just touching your screen, but hey, it's fun to try out. In the camera app, you get some nice flexibility thanks to the folding screen. You can lay the phone flat on a table and film without needing a tripod. And that's really useful for creators or people who like hands-free video. And you can also use the cover screen to launch the camera app directly, which means you can use the main camera for selfies or quick shots. Even if the rear camera isn't the best here, it's still better than the inside camera, which is great, but the outside cameras are always better. You can use portrait, photo, and video modes in the camera app on the outer screen, and honestly, that's all you really need. The cover screen also comes with widgets, which is great. You can add contacts for instant calling, viewer notifications, toggle things like the flashlight or Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, or quickly switch sound modes. You can even control your music directly from the cover screen, which is super convenient if you're on the go or just don't want to flip your phone open. And I especially appreciate that because I listen to music a lot. Then overall, I think the Z Flip 7 isn't a huge departure from the previous model, but it's not just a re-release. It feels like a proper next-gen update. On the other hand, there's also the Z Flip 7 FE, which is literally just Z Flip 6 with a new name. That's honestly a bit disappointing, and that will be about it about Z Flip 7 FE. But the main Z Flip 7 is about what I expected from the new generation, and I'm happy with the changes. I'm actually more excited for the Z Fold 7, which I'll be covering soon on the channel, as well as the Z Flip 7 FE, which I don't like. So stay tuned for that, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching. feel free to check out other videos on our channel. Maybe already there is the video uploaded about the Z Fold or Z Flip 7 FE or any other device. There are lots of them recorded, lots of them, a few, because the channel is quite new. So feel free also to like and subscribe to our channel to help us grow and create more content like this in the future. See you in the next one.